The longest hiccup attack on record lasted for 68 years. An American man named Charles Osborne began hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, a total of 68 years. Osborne's hiccups started after he fell off a chair and injured his diaphragm. At their peak, he hiccuped up to 40 times a minute, and they even continued when he was sleeping. Despite this bizarre and uncomfortable condition, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, getting married, having children, and working on a farm. His hiccups finally stopped on their own in 1990, when he was 97 years old, and he enjoyed 5 hiccup-free years before passing away in 1995.